Hello everyone, here's 20 passive income ideas summarized just for you. Let's dive right in. Our first suggestion for you are high dividend stocks. Invest in stocks known for high dividend payouts. Peer-to-peer lending platforms. Lend money through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper for potential quick returns. Rental real estate. If you can purchase a property in a high-demand area, it can start generating rental income quickly. Short-term rentals. Rent out property on platforms like Airbnb. This can be especially lucrative in tourist-heavy areas. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Invest in REITs to get immediate exposure to real estate markets without needing to own physical properties. Crowd-funded real estate platforms. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow for quicker entry into real estate investing. High-yield savings accounts. Park your money in high-yield savings accounts to earn more interest than regular savings accounts. CD ladders, investing in certificates of deposit with varying maturity dates for a regular return. Money market funds. These can offer higher returns than savings accounts and are relatively liquid. Create and sell an online course. If you have expertise in a field, creating an online course can start generating income once it's live. License photography or artwork. If you're a photographer or artist, your works can be licensed for passive income. Automated dropshipping store. While setting up requires effort, automation tools can make income generation quicker. Affiliate marketing. If you already have a blog or website, incorporating affiliate links can start generating income. Selling digital products, ebooks, digital art, or software tools can be created and sold repeatedly. Buy a blog. Purchasing an existing blog that already generates income can be immediate passive income. Dividend funds. Invest in mutual funds or ETFs that focus on dividend-paying stocks. Rent out your car. Platforms like Turo allow you to rent out your vehicle when you're not using it. Add revenue from a blog, YouTube channel. If you already have a platform with a decent following, monetizing it can start generating income quickly. Vending machines. In high-traffic areas, vending machines can start turning a profit soon after placement. ATM ownership. Owning and operating ATMs in strategic locations can yield a quick return on investment. Remember, even these quicker methods may not be instant and still require some upfront work or capital. It's also crucial to thoroughly research and understand the risks involved in any investment. Thanks for watching.